Welcome as we ride through Amish country. Glad you decided to take a ride with us through Amish country in Ohio. It's a beautiful day for a nice ride in nice scenery as we travel around Ohio.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
As we come to the end of this ride video, hope you enjoyed the scenes as we rode through the Amish country. It is very beautiful, very nice scenery. Hope you enjoy. Come back and ride with us again. As always, we ask you, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment if you'd like, and we'd really appreciate it if you would tell a friend about our channel. I'd like to catch you on the next one. Thank you. Keep the rubber side down and be safe.